Hello folks, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Kahnawake, Utah's garage and workshop. It's basically, I call it Kahnawake, Utah's garage and workshop because it's a garage and it's my little workshop. I don't necessarily work on cars in the garage, but so anyway, I have lots of videos. Why do I have so many videos? Because I basically record most of the things I've been doing here. If you're new to my channel, I have all kinds of metalworking videos. I dabble in some wood, I scrap things. I do a lot of things just to keep myself busy, have fun. I try to make it enjoyable for me. So if you're new here, click like, subscribe. I hope I get some more. It's more of like my channel is kind of like a vlog of what I do in here. Place is a mess. I'm always doing something, and there's probably something on in my videos for just about everyone. I'm in the process of restoring a, what do you call it, a bench vise. I'm making a stand for a, what do you call it, why can't I think of it, for a bandsaw. I fixed a, what do you call it, a bench grinder switch. I have a milling machine. I have a lathe. I like dabbling and stuff. I'm not an expert or anything. By no means am I what do you call it, I do any of this by trade. I do this all for fun, just to have fun. And I don't know, a person on here in one of the YouTube channels that I always mention, and it's also listed on my YouTube channel, suggested, yeah, why don't you got all these tools and do stuff, why don't you make a YouTube channel? So here I am. So if you're new, check out the videos. There's all kinds of, what do you call it, shorts. I go crazy on them. Do all kinds of weird things, just for entertainment. But the videos, I have tons of stuff that I'm got to work on, and an endless supply of things to do. So like, subscribe, and welcome to my channel if you're new.